Me too.
Yes. Sobrang we slept late last night. We had so much fun. And then today, hindi kami nag-alarm.
Correct.
Tulog lang. So, ngayon, anong oras na? Mga 1 o'clock na, right?
Yes.
Oo.
Actually, 2 p.m.
Kasi yun talaga yung time for lunch.
for lunch.
Oo,
Correct.
oo.
Oo. Kaya if there's one thing that you have to know about Spain, lunch is at 1:30 or 2, at dinner ay 10.
What's our itinerary for today?
Today, kung yesterday ang pinuntahan natin ay northeast ng Sol, ngayon ay southeast naman ng Sol. So i-explore natin yung Plaza Mayor.
Plaza Mayor.
Yes, yung Mercado de San Ildefonso, I think tama ba?
San
San
Miguel.
Miguel. Di ba pala yung San Ildefonso? Mercado de San Miguel,
Oo.
yung Old Town ng Madrid,
And then,
Palacio Real,
and then tonight,
and then tonight, Manila Luzon.
Yes!
Pero ngayon magme-menu del dia kami ni Direct Ted. Kasi nagugutom na kami.
Menu del Dia is there.
Lunch. So, parang merong menu for the day. Tapos makakuha ka ng first plate, second plate, drink, at dessert. So, in short, value meal.
Okay. Excited. Hi mother, where are we?
We are here sa El Cucurucho del Mar, kung saan masarap ang seafood. Trivia, nakapag-date na ako dito.
Bye! Sino ang kadate?
Isang daddy.
Sorry.
So, natinor ko din dito sa Madrid. Sabi niya gusto niya daw ng seafood. So, naganap ako seafood. So, ito, masarap yung seafood nila. So, ito yung menu del dia. You have the first plate, the second plate, and the dessert. So, yung first plate mamimili ka, second plate mamimili ka, third plate pipili ka din dyan. And it's only 15 euros. 15.50.
Nice.
So, ganon.
Oo.
So, para ma-maximize natin, ang technique, dapat magkakaiba tayo ng order.
Kamar share.
Correct.
Okay, I love it. I love that technique.
At ang mga servers dito ay Filipinos. Yes. Alright. So, kakain na tayo. At ang mga Pinoy po ay naandyan. They're the best. They're the best.
I'm excited to eat the menu El Dia and with our Filipino service.
Ang pogi niya. Charot. Alamin natin kung Pinoy siya. Commercial.
So this is the appetizer.
Yes.
Olives and bread.
So here's our first plate. Ang una natin is caldo gallego. And for directed, we had pastel de carne.
So this is food number 2.
Plate number 2.
So far guys, ang sarap ng food. And naintindihan ko na yung sinasabi ni mother. Kasi look at her plate. Ate na.
Para matikman lahat.
Yes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Rating direct.
5 stars.
5 stars. Nakaka-Michelin yun ah.
Gracias, Señorita Mela Habichan, por... Vamos. Hindi ko na- Let's eat.
Comer.
Comer. Salud.
Salud! Salud!
Ayan na ang main event. Paella. Yes, why would you be in Spain if you don't eat paella? Ano kasi paella, no?
Ito, paella marisco. So, seafood paella. Pero, sinasabi ng mga Espanyol, hindi masyadong masarap ang paella sa Madrid. Pag magpapaella ka, dapat sa Valencia ka. Pero look at this. For 2 people.
Vamos! Ako meron.
Yan, ito squeeze natin. There. At servan kita.
Finally, our dessert. Our banana cake and our carrot cake.
Yes.
And guys, nakailang hours na tayo dito.
2 hours and
It's really a heavy meal.
So, ayan po.
Tingnan mo naman wala ng background na tao sa background ni Mel.
Maglalakad na lang po kami ng 5 o'clock.
Yes. Grabe. Food coma. But delicioso.
Direk, na-happy ako. Na-happy ka.
Same.
Yay!
Let's eat.
Yay!
Banana cake with choco syrup, whatever it is. Banana cake. Pero, hindi ganun ka-overpowering yung banana flavor.
Try mo yung carrot.
Carrot cake?
Try mo.
Iba yung color niya, no? Or ito ba yung usual? Spongy? Walang yung bits ng carrot. Usually sa mga carrot ng ano. Pero nagalasan mo yung carrot. But I guess parang ang comparison nila is hindi overpowering yung carrots and bananas. So ano ba yun? Na-blend ng tama? Or hindi ako food critic, guys. Pero masarap siya. Ayun. So, bon appetit!
Enjoy!
Yes! Anong tawag dito sa ino-offer mo, ate?
Chupito po.
Can you explain what a chupito is?
Chupito po yung ano po, digestive shot po.
So, palagi ino-offer nyo after a heavy meal.
Opo.
Wow!
Dalawa po, 5 pesos.
Sa iyo yung Bailey sa'yo?
Sige, magdalawa na kami 5 shot.
Bali.
Okay. Oh, may ganun na. I learned something new.
Yes.
Kala
Yung
ko,
sinasabi ni Arnold kagabi. Kala mo ano, direct?
akala ko tapos na eh. Grabe to. Kala ko na,
Pa nga ako eh.
oh, nag-ano na ako eh. Nag-umi kami pa. Grabe guys, that's it. That's our menu el dia.
Menu del dia.
Menu del dia.
Yes. Kaya direct, ang lunch nila dito ay 2 oras, 3 oras.
Grabe! Ayan, foodie delight.
Kaya after ng lunch, siesta.
Hi guys, we just finished our 3-hour lunch.
Which is very common here.
Yes. And yun na nga, after lunch, may na-realize akong blooper. At ang blooper na na-realize ko ay yung ticket na binili ko for the Royal Palace ay today pala. Kaninang 10:30 AM pala. So ayun, but you know, nangyayari naman talaga yun sa bawat trip. You listen to your body, kung kailangan mo mag-rest, rest. Kasi bakasyon eh. So hindi ako depressed over it. It just means na nakakain ako ng 3-hour.
Nakapahinga.
Nakapagpahinga at nakakain ako. So, ganun talaga yon. So, yung Royal Palace, probably I'll just look at the facade and then, you know, take a picture there. Pero sa ngayon, eto excited ako sa pupuntahan namin kasi this is the oldest.
Library. Actually, nadaanan na natin. Halika, balikan natin siya.
Oldest library.
Pero it's now a store ng mga souvenirs.
Oo.
Pero, ayan, ito yung siya. This structure is the oldest library. Yan, look.
Wow!
1650.
Libreria.
San Ginés.
Ah! Yeah. So it's the oldest library.
Oh. But now, parang they sell souvenir items
Oo.
here.
Oo.
So, yun. Tapos may mga old books, ganyan.
From 1650?
Ay, na 1650.
Wow! Wow!
Diba?
Ganito lang kaliit yung...
Yung library.
Oo.
So, now, after the old library, here in Madrid, punta naman tayo sa Old Chocolateria. Ayan, ang San Gines. Ayan. Na darating na sa Manila. May magdadala na nito sa Manila.
Okay.
Oo.
So hindi ko kailangan tikman.
Pero ang gusto ko malaman ninyo ay may dalawang uri ng churros. Ang churros, which is yung manipis, at yung pora, which is yung makapal at mahaba. Alam mo na kung anong gusto ko. Pero, ayan. So, 1894. 1894 to tinayo at 2 years after, nakalaya na tayo mula sa
Espanya.
4 years after pala, 1898 na. Nakalaya tayo sa Espanya.
Grabe, no? 1894.
So, mayroon kang 4 ordering stations. And then, pagka-order mo, pipila ka dito kung gusto mo mong kumain dito outside. So, pipila ka dyan, tapos i-hand mo yung resibo mo. Then, sa one of the servers. Tapos, hintayin mo na paupuin ka. And then, hintayin mo yung order mo. Ganun.
Parang katulad ng ginagawa na ngayon.
At ang maganda dito, pag diniretso mo to, papunta na tayo sa Plaza Mayor.
And what is Plaza Mayor?
So, Plaza Mayor is one of the most famous squares in Madrid. At mahalaga siya during the times of the royalty. Kasi doon nag-gather lahat para manood ng iba't ibang gatherings. At isa sa mga important gatherings nila ay mang-execute ng mga traidor. Yun yung forms of entertainment nila dati.
Scary.
Ayun na siya, ang entrance papuntang Plaza Mayor.
Nice. Pa-picture tayo dyan.
Yes. Bago tayo pumasok sa Plaza Mayor, this one is the national costume of Spanish women. Dedicated siya sa mga relatively parang Sevillanas. Yung tawag dyan. At gusto ko i-highlight to because this is what we call Manton de Manila. Kasi ang Manton de Manila, apparently, ay ginagawa sa Manila at tinatransport to Madrid, to Spain. Parang yung gawa siya sa Chinese cotton, and then in-embroider siya sa Manila, tapos dinadala dito. Tapos yun, Manton de Manila. So part siya ng national costume ng Spain.
Okay! Alright!
Welcome to Plaza Mayor!
Wow! Dito na hinahang ang mga tao. So this Plaza Mayor is the Mayor's Plaza.
Ayan. Diba? It's a very big square. Ayan. Tapos dito nagtitipon-tipon ng lahat. Ayun. I think that's the area where the royalties sit. Ganyan. To watch everything that is happening here. So, may mga rituals, ceremonies na ginagawa dito. At syempre, yung pinaka-inaabangan ay yung execution. Tourist trap to, pero for some of you would like to try, nandito yung bocadillos de calamares, which is the squid sandwich. Sanay tayo to eat calamares na as ulam, pero dito sandwich siya. Nung una na weirdohan ako, pero masarap siya, to be fair. Sabi ko, it's an amazing experience. After Plaza Mayor, pupunta naman tayo sa isang tourist trap, which is Mercado de San Miguel. So, dito makita niyo yung iba't ibang tapas na, to be fair, masarap. At malalaki naman yung serving, yun lang, mahal talaga. Parang it ranges from 8 euros to 20. So, for me, yung kinain nga natin kanina, 15 euros lang yung menu del dia. Minus the paella.
Oo.
So, ilang plates na yun? 2 plates, 1 dessert,
Oo, super full.
at isang drink. So, ito, may 8 euros ka worth of tapas. Medyo pricey.
Pero why is it popular then?
Kasi I think parang doon talaga yung parang near Plaza Mayor. Tapos, magaganda rin yung choices of tapas. So, ayun siya. Ayan. I think and also the structure itself.
Yeah.
Ayan, tingnan mo naman yung structure. So, super, makikita mo na talagang it stood the test of time. But you see how well lit it is right now. Kung paano napaganda yung merkado itself. Ang ganda niya sa gabi! So after Mercado, a few meters away, makikita natin ang Old Town of Madrid. At
Ay.
iconic to because you'll see the different influences that Spain had throughout its history. Actually, makikita mo sa Toledo yung Jewish, yung Islamic influences. Dito din makikita mo rin yon. Kasi parang dun sa iba't ibang buildings, merong Islamic style, merong Jewish style, merong style na pang-Katoliko, ganyan. So, ito na tayo, dumarating na po tayo sa Old Town.
Bakit may ganyan?
May pakalas, ayan po, ang mga polisiya.
This one?
Ay, may ganap!
Wow.
May ganap, busy siya tonight.
Girl, this is it. This is the old town.
Yes, this is the Old Town. So, yan.
Oo nga, ang cute. Basta parang may shooting.
Ang sarte, may ganyan. And our final destination is Palacio Real.
Wow, ang laki! What is the trivia about this Palacio Real?
Well, una, wala nang nakatira dyan.
Ay, talaga?
Hindi na nakatira dyan ng King and Queen of
Saan na ba
Spain.
sila?
Hindi ko rin alam direct. But of course, this used to be the home of the King and Queen of Spain. Ayan. Tignan mo naman kung gaano siya kalaki. At sa tapat niya po ay ang simbahan na para sa kanila lamang po. Ayan. Grabe ang majestic ng structure.
What is
Ayun
this?
po ang overlooking where you can see some areas of Madrid. And well lit. At this windy weather.
Ganda.
Ayan din. So after Palacio Real, nadaanan natin yung Opera House. At ngayon, binabaybay natin yung walkway papunta sa Plaza de España. At madadaanan mo ang Senate Building. Ayan. Ang artistic ng Senate Building nila, diba? Pero I think this is newly built. I haven't been inside, so tignan natin kung mapapapasok tayo in the very near future.
Wow. Senadora Mela Habichan.
See!
Ito yun.
Pero yan, so ito yung part ng park, pa Plaza de España. Ayan, pa diretso. Tignan mo naman ang kanilang park culture.
This is Plaza de España.
Last year direct, nila landscape pa nila to Ngayon, ganda na ng epekto. Okay. So finally, after Plaza de España, ito na tayo. Gran Via.
Wow. Gran Via is the
Broadway and Times Square of Madrid.
so
Ayan.
shopping nandito.
Ayan din ang The Lion King, you have Aladdin,
And yung musical sila, Spanish.
Spanish. Oo. I've seen 3.
Oo, ano yun?
Lion King, El Rey Leon, Mamma Mia, at saka Phantom of the Opera.
In Spanish.
In Spanish. Buti na lang alam ko yung kwento, so medyo nakaka-react ako. Okay, so after all the things that we've done, we now end up in Chueca! And here we are with my bestie, Davide. Ayan, direct. This is Davide. Yan. My Italian friend who went to Madrid for love. So what are we doing, Davide?
We're going to see Manila Luzon and La Mariqueen.
You love
Very
drag.
nice.
You love
Yeah,
drag.
I love drag. I love drag. I've loved it for many years now.
She is soon to be a drag queen.
Wow, what's your drag name?
Nika Dalton.
Nika Dalton.
Because I'm daltonic.
She's colorblind.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And daltonica apparently is a Spanish word for colorblind.
Colorblind.
So Nika Dalton.
Witty!
But we have thought about another name.
What's the other name?
Probably Nela's name. Because she loves tiramisu, no?
Yes.
So,
And I love pageantry.
So her name is Tyra Miss You.
I love it. Tiramisu. So this is like the gay district.
Yes. So as you can see, there are a lot of sex shops. Rainbow flags. Pero most important of all is that you'll feel safe here. Or anywhere in Madrid, actually.
Yes.
As an LGBT person, the most important thing is that no one judges you for being queer.
Okay.
So that's the magic of Spain and Madrid for me. That's why I decided to move here, stay, and live here because I'm appreciated and celebrated.
Nice. Did you cry?
I'm actually moved.
And the bar that we're going to is called La Mariqueen. Oh, tell about Mariqueen.
So you know the slur for calling a gay person. So it would be in English would be maybe in Spanish it's. Of course, we own that name and we made it our own, and that's why this club is called Mari Queen.
Queen. Reina.
Uh-huh.
Because it's focused on drag, so
Okay.
they united the two things. I think it's a very important matter, honestly. So yeah, it's our place.
And we have surprises. We have
There's some guests.
Nico
Hello.
and Bettina.
we are.
And if you ask, who did he move for love?
Bettina. I'm so sorry. Nico. It's Nico. Oh, so you're queer. I didn't know. I thought you're just best friends. I didn't know.
But look at
Oh,
them.
yes.
Love wins.
Love wins.
We're now in La Mariqueen.
It's the end of my day 2 vlog. We're going to have fun here in Marikina.
Yes. So thank you for watching and enjoy the show with us. Enjoy. See you on day 3.
Un fortísimo aplauso para Manila Luzon.